everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually, I guess, doing a mermaid style of one of my OCs. I blamed my friend Mary. She kept doing Kingdom Hearts mermaid art and it kind of became addictive. I'm actually doodling this at my work desk at my office, but shh, don't tell anyone. And sadly, I didn't film me lining my work, but this is what I used to line. And next, I started with her skin. And as I said, she is an OC. I just turned her into a mermaid. She's actually my Destiny Awoken OC. She's not a guardian or anything. I just created her from the Destiny story. So her skin is gray. And I just made her gray, like you do with Awoken. Next was her hair, and I did several layers of different purple because I couldn't decide which purple I liked more, so yeah, all the purple, couple markers. And then the next thing I did was the little rope detail for her shirt. She is a mermaid, so I used, I guess, netting. And then the next I did for her eyes. She has orange eyes. And I also did the little white detail with a gel pen. I got this one from Michael's, I think. And then the next thing I did to kind of cover up the little mistakes I did with her hair, I gave her a blue outline for, like, I guess, water. And then I did the little Awoken skin details. They have, like, I guess, water effects for their aura or whatever around on their skin. And yeah, there you go. That's what I did. This is Nessa, my Awoken OC as a mermaid. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.